Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound dollar 4 hour time frame, I personally think this is the end of a WXY right at the 38% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move up. We had one, two, three waves down, we had one, two, three waves up, and we had one, two, three waves down. It's definitely a pretty good example of a 333 WXY pattern. So if that's true, then this is potentially now continuing the uptrend, which means that it should make higher highs, higher lows, take out the previous highs, and based on the higher time frames, the daily, weekly, monthly time frame analysis, this potentially has a lot of upside, especially if it really is a wave one, wave two, and a wave three, which is what it looks like on the higher time frames. So bringing it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely recommending longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. Looks like we might have already had a one, two, three-way pullback, but I could possibly see this, being like a wave A, being a wave B, and then going down again for a wave C, which is actually what I hope happens, because that would give me a better opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. But there definitely is a possibility that it's already made a one, two, three-way pullback to the 38%, and it just keeps on trending up from here. Either way, I'm already long once, and I'm definitely going to be looking to get long again for the continuation of this uptrend, especially because of the very high time frames potentially being in a wave three. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.